Hello from Seoul. If I have to choose only one dish for Korean dinner, I'll definitely pick this one. And I'm pretty sure you will do the same. Today, we're gonna be making bulgogi, one of the most iconic Korean foods of all time. We've done so many good recipes using bulgogi, but I don't think I made a video where this dude is the main star of the show. Well, he deserved better than that. I feel kind of sorry for him. Anyways, as always, let's make it simple and delicious. For this, you will need some beef, onion, green onion, and carrot. That's it. With these simple ingredients, we can totally make delicious bulgogi, but for a prettier presentation, let's get some greens and soft boiled eggs. Trust me, these two will make it more colorful and nutritious. Alright, let's prep the beef first. Get yourself 600 grams of thinly sliced beef and cut that into nice bite-sized pieces. What? You can't get this kind of thinly sliced beef? Don't worry about it. Get yourself some steak and put that in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And then when it's firm enough to handle, just thinly slice it. That's it. Nothing complicated, right? Once you're done slicing, put it in a mixing bowl. Now let's make the marinade. In a small container, add 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, a few shakes of black pepper, and give it a good stir until the sugar is dissolved. Once that's done, pour it over the beef and give it a good massage until they say, "Oh, yeah." And then give them some privacy in the fridge for about 15 minutes or overnight. Meanwhile, let's prep our vegetables. First, take 5 green onions and cut them into long strips. If the white parts of the green onions are too thick, you can cut them in half like this. What? You wanna upgrade your bulgogi? Then thinly slice some white parts of the green onions and add it to the marinade. Or make green onion oil before you cook the beef. But I'm just gonna keep it simple to reduce prep time because of our impatient hangry bird at home. But if you do, trust me, it'll be the best decision that you ever made. Next, thinly slice 1 onion. Again, you could also add this bad boy to the marinade. And that's a more traditional way to cook bulgogi. But instead of adding it to the marinade, I'm gonna keep them separately and cook them later, because that will be more beautiful at the end. This time, let's julienne some carrots. Actually, this bad boy is mainly for color, but without it, it's just too dark and not pretty. So even if you're not a big fan of carrots, please add some. This will make a huge difference in your bulgogi. Finally, it's cooking time. Get yourself a wok or pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once the oil is heated, add half of the green onions, half of the onion, half of the carrot, and saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Of course, we could put everything and cook it all at once. But since I don't want to crowd the pan and steam it instead of fry, I'm gonna cook in 2 batches. Once they start to soften, increase the heat to medium-high. And then add half of the beef, who's having a great time in the fridge. Now all you need to do is just cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes. So simple, right? There's no reason not to try this at home. Once the beef is cooked through, place it on a serving plate and sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds. Now we can simply serve this with some rice, lettuce, kimchi, and samjang. But I'm gonna go ahead and make a beautiful rice bowl with this bad boy. This way, there'll be fewer dishes to wash. Yes, I'm threatened by my personal dishwasher. Alright, go grab some tukbaegi, Korean clay pot. It's good at retaining heat, so it will keep your food warm until you finish it. What? No tukbaegi in your house? Don't worry about it. Then bring a cast iron pan. No problem at all. And then to prevent any sticking, lightly coat it with some toasted sesame oil. And to that, add some rice and bulgogi. And then put it back on the stovetop and place it over low heat. Once you hear the sizzle, just turn the heat off and garnish with some greens, soft boiled eggs, green onion, and toasted sesame seeds. Last but not least, if you happen to have some leftover cherry tomatoes, then place it on top. Trust me, it'll be the icing on the cake. Alright, it's done. Let's call our taste tester.
Claire.
와, 불고기를 가지고 아주 완벽한 원보미를 만들었네.
So beautiful and practical. We've done so many types of bulgogi, so you may not be sure what exactly bulgogi means. Well, bulgogi means grilled meat. So you can basically cook with any type of meat like beef, chicken, or pork. But the most iconic or classic bulgogi is definitely this beef bulgogi. Let's give it a try. 와우, 진짜 너무 이쁘게 잘했다. Cheers! 흠잡기가 없네. 맛있네. I have no complaints about this. It is sweet and savory and a little bit garlicky. You can say no to this. 내가 불고기 같은 경우는 특히 집에서 만든 걸 더 선호하는 이유가 밖에서 사 먹으면 맛있긴 맛있는데 좀 과하게 단 경향이 있어. 근데 집에서 만든 불고기는 절대 그렇지 않아. 딱 그냥 기분 좋은 약간의 그 단맛에 짭조름함이 더 많이 느껴져서 훨씬 밥이랑 잘 어울리고 질리지 않게 먹을 수 있는 그런 맛이야. 그러므로 밥이랑 먹어봅시다. 촉촉한 불고기와 알록달록한 야채를 같이 올려서 여기도 이것까지 넣으면 되는데 욕심이겠지. 나의 완벽한 퍼펙트 바이트. 다시 만들었어. 고고고. 치즈. 두말할 것도 없이 단짠단짠 밥이랑 너무너무 잘 어울리고 참기름 향까지 같이 곁들여지면서 고소한 맛이 입에서 퍼지는 게 입맛을 더 끌어주네. 와, 너무 맛있다. 역시. 자기가 또 이렇게 신경 써서 굳이 안 해도 되는데 이런 애들도 좀 올려줬으니까 내가 또 같이 먹어줘보지. 그린 하고만 오늘 아주 그린. 맛있어. 진짜 쌈 싸먹는 느낌이 딱 나고 그리고 약간의 그 쌉싸름한 맛이 불고기의 단짠단짠한 맛을 잘 끌어올려줘. 오. I love this freshness from the microgreens. So good. But if you can get this, eat it with lettuce. Don't worry about it. 여기서 이게 완성작인 것 같긴 하지만 여기서 더 맛을 끌어줄 수 있는 방법이 있지. 가져와봐. That is kimchi! I know we eat kimchi with almost any kind of food, but this bulgogi has to be eaten with kimchi. Rice, bulgogi, and kimchi. Sweet and savory from the bulgogi, and spicy and tangy from the kimchi. Oh my god, you've got it all. It's so good. Strongly recommended. 맛설명은 다 한 것 같아요. 이제 마음껏 먹어볼게요. Hope you guys enjoy too. Bye.
Today we made bulgogi, the most iconic Korean food of all time. How was it? It's ridiculously simple and easy, right? As you saw, it's quick enough to make on a busy weeknight. So from now on your way home from work, you don't need to pick up any takeout food. Yeah, I just saved your money. You're welcome. You can't just pay me back by hitting the like button. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.